How to create foil stamped designs. Foil stamped map tumbler. First, remove the machine's hard white ink and replace it with flexible white ink. Switch to flexible white ink management. Wait for the machine to inject the flexible white ink. Install the rotary attachment. Place the tumbler onto the rotary attachment and secure it. Upload the color map and depth map of the design into the software. Select the depth map and choose Flat Raised Craft mode. Scroll down and select White, Foil Stamping, for the ink mode. Go back to the color map layer. Set the ink mode to CMYK. Ensure the depth map layer is above the color map layer. Then preview the print effect. Click the button. Choose the right cup type. The machine will automatically measure the height and diameter of the tumbler. Print. Done! Lay the foil stamping film on the tumbler. Slide the handheld heat press over the film. Once the film is applied, you'll have your hot foil stamped map tumbler. Foil stamped Thanksgiving card. Flatten the card and place it onto the mini flatbed. Click Snapshot button. Import the image. This example is just gold foil, no color. Select Flat Raised mode. Choose White Foil Stamping Ink mode. Click Print to start the printing process. Once printing is complete, follow the steps to remove the B film from the laminating machine and replace it with the gold foil. Click the heating button. Once heating is complete, begin the laminating process. Cut. Now, the gold foil Thanksgiving card is ready. You can also create silver foil cards and other variations.